this week? Hey, I'm Sarah from the Happy Hootie. Do you guys hate meal planning and figuring out what to cook every single night? Well, I've got this great idea for you that I'm going to share. What we do here is we get on our computer, we open up a search engine, and we search for chatgpt. And here you see it's OpenAI. And it's introducing this artificial intelligence that you can ask it anything you want and it will look it up and write responses for you. So we're going to go ahead and try chatgpt. And we are going to ask it, can you please make me a dinner plan for the week? And we're going to sit here and wait. When you've got to an area that you're happy with the meal plan that it's given you, you can go up here to this little clipboard and you've now copied it. And then you can just paste it onto a different area from where you have it. So once you've copied your page, I've just opened up a Word document and I am going to paste it on here. And now you've got a printer-friendly version of your meal plan for the week. If you want to make any edits, you can just do that from here and you are all set to go. There you go. There's the easy button for meal planning. Try it out. Let us know what you think. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.